Hi friends, I am Kavin. I am going to explain my AI tool to learn science. And my problem statement is due to this pandemic, students find it difficult to learn science. In this online class, students cannot understand the chemical process, functions of machine and biological functions. And my some other ideas were to conduct online practicals and learning through videos and apps, learning through social medias like YouTube and Twitter and Instagram. And my defined part is in this situation, we can download virtual reality app. The best app is Practically. The Practically app gives you three immersive videos, 3D simulations, and augmented reality modules. The unique features combined with the practically users friendly, always available in AI guide. Practically is the only experimental app that brings learning alive through immersive videos and interactive augmented reality. With Practically, you not only get better understand but get a chance to experience the concept which is not available in any other e-learning apps. And my topic is combustion frame. It's a chemistry topic which is best understood by experimenting. The Practically helps the children to understand the concept by doing it virtually. It allows the children to check the whether the substance is combustible or not combustible. The learner can learn at his own pace and he can also repeat the experiment as many times he wants. And it is also safe in this doing this experiment in app because it have the burning process and the risk can be reduced. And these are my prototypes. If we go into this app, we can choose our topics and it will show whether it is you want to select videos or 3D simulations or a guide. So I choose 3D simulations. So it went inside and it will say drag that object to that stand. So we can drag it and it will burn and it will show the process step by step and it will show the answer also. And this is also then another prototype. Thank you.